Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through another question on meiosis, which was taken from the February-March 2017 DB exam. The phase in meiosis in which individual centromeres split is called A. Anaphase 1, B. Anaphase 2, C. Metaphase 1, or D. Metaphase 2. Straight off the bat, we can strike off metaphase. And the reason for that is because in metaphase, the chromosomes will line up at the equator. The description above suggests nothing about lining up at the equator. Next, we need to try and work out whether it's anaphase 1 or in anaphase 2. In anaphase 1, we have chromosomes that will line up at the equator, and those chromosomes will then be pulled away from each other during anaphase. So from that we can actually strike off anaphase 1 because it's not splitting the chromosomes. And in anaphase 2, what happens is the spindle fibers will join to the centromeres of the chromosomes and actually split them apart, leaving each of the chromatids on either side of the cell. So B is our final answer, and that will give you your mark. And that's it. But before I go, you can send us another question and we'll respond with a personalized video like this, or you can check out our website, which you'll find below, to see more epic videos just like this. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Style Balustrating. You can find all their details down in the description below. Until next time,